Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to switch profiles in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you use multiple profiles in Brave, for example one for personal use and another for work, switching between them is very easy and helps keep your data, bookmarks and browsing activities separate. Let's see how to do it step by step. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Now look at the top right corner of the Brave browser window. Here you will see the profile icon. This icon may show your profile picture or a default icon. Click on this one, profile icon. In the drop down menu you will find this one section, other Brave profiles, and here you will see other profiles. Just click on this. As soon as you click, Brave will open a new window with that selected profile. Now you are using a different profile with its own bookmarks, extensions and browsing history. If you want to switch again, repeat the same process by clicking on the profile icon and selecting another profile. This is very useful if multiple users use the same computer, or if you want to separate your personal and professional browsing. That's it. This is how you can easily switch profiles in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.